Hello, in this video I want to show you how to host Convoy in Euro Truck Simulator 2. To do this, first we'll need to click on the convoys right here when we're in the game, and then you'll see the list of all of the convoys available. You'll be able to join the ones without a password or the ones that you have the password for, or if you want to host your own, click on the host convoy. Then enter the session name that will be visible. Also description, you can add a password for privacy, for example if you want only your friends to join. Then change the number of maximum players. You can activate Steam friends only. That will mean only people from your friends list on Steam will be able to join you. Enable optional mods. That means when enabled optional mods are not required by other players. Enable traffic. Enable damage between players, enable collision in service areas, and also hide player in no collision areas. When you're ready, click on confirm and your server should be set up, and if you don't have it for Steam friends only, it will be visible on this list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.